Now, hello children. Now today we are going to do the last property, which is called distributive property. I wrote it here. Now we have two things. This is distributive property over of multiplication over addition. So let us take up this. Now suppose we are going to learn this distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now see, suppose we have three numbers, three whole numbers. Say A is one number, B is another number, and C is the third number. We are taking this distributive property is for three numbers. We have three whole numbers. We have assumed the three whole number to be A, B and C. Then what this property says, the property says that A into B plus A into C will give you A into B plus C. What? See, here we have this. If you remember, last year we studied the simplification. Now suppose I want to simplify this whole expression. You can see a plus sign here. Plus sign ka matlab hai, it has divided the whole expression into two parts. Alright, two individual parts, and every part is to be solved and then we can add. But what speciality we observe in both of them, we see that A is common. Alright, so if A is common, then what we can do? We can take A to be common and then multiply A with B plus C. Is that clear? So this will make your work more easier. Now see, suppose I am taking an example. If I take an example, the example is say 4876 multiplied by 978 plus 4876 multiplied by 22. Now you all know that this is a question where this is a plus sign, means the simplification problem is divided into two individual independent part, and every part we can solve. Now if we adopt the normal method, this answer is when we will multiply, we are going to get this 7 to 8. And if I multiply this, we will get this. You can check it by doing it yourself and you will find that the answer for this is this and answer for this is here. Now, so next step is obviously to add, and we will get 487600. But what we can do, if I use this property, what does this property say? That the पहले वाले का जो इंडिपेंडेंट पार्ट था उसमें भी 4876 से मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है, एंड इन द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑल्सो वी कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड this by 4876. So a very simple method says use distributive law, and the smarter people, what they will do, they will write 4876 and multiply it with the sum of 978 and 22. Now 978 plus 22 will become 1000, right? So 1000 multiplied by 4876, and so easily you got the same answer with little effort, because you have used this distributive property for the first time in class 6. You were not knowing in class 5, so we would have done in this way, but because we came to know about this property, which has made our work so easy. Now suppose the second part of this is distributive property of multiplication over addition के बजाय we can even have subtraction. All right. Now if we have subtraction, subtraction means, suppose we have subtraction sign here, then obviously this will be like this. Okay. Now suppose we have this question, say 1, 0, 2, 8, and here we have 28, and here we have a negative sign. Then what will happen? We can use this distributive law, and you will see 4876 is common in both of them, and 1028 from the first part and 28 from the second part, and we have a minus sign in between. So what we get? 1000 multiplied by 4876, and the answer is 4876 into 1000 is this answer. So we got the answer. We have not done with the long method. We can try whether you are getting the same answer or not, that you can check. So distributive property of multiplication over addition and over subtraction is this way. Now this is the first example we did. I have taken this set of question for classwork which I am discussing. Few more set of questions of classwork which is here. So I will be discussing each one of them. Now question number 1. Now suppose we have to solve question number 2. 9018 multiplied by 332 plus 9018 multiplied by 501 plus 9018 multiplied by 167. Now you can see here I have taken the example of only 3 whole number. We can have more numbers also. We have A, B, C and D. Alright. So if the question is like this, obviously we can see we have a plus sign here and we have a plus sign here. So simplification mein kya ho jata hai? We have 3 independent questions, right? And each one of them, if you solve and add, you are going to get the answer. But we can see what is common in all of them. 9018 is common in all of them. So 9018 will be taken, and instead of multiplying it with this first, then this, I will multiply it with 332 plus 501 plus 167, and if I see, we are going to get 1000 from here multiplied by 9018. Answer is obviously 10 this and 30. So this becomes the answer. Now question number 3. Nine 762 multiplied by 571 plus 9762 multiplied by 499 minus 9762 multiplied by 70. So first we have to see that how many terms are there. We have a plus sign here, we have a minus sign here. Plus and minus separates our whole expression into how many part? 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. These are 3 independent questions which has to be handled, and we can see in all of them 9762 is common. So what we will do? 9762 will be taken multiplied by, instead of multiplying it individually and then solving, we can do it this way. Plus 499 minus sign is this. ये हमने लिया, ये इधर लिया, and this also I have taken. If we solve it, we will get in dono ka sum 1070, and from here we got 70 multiplied by 9762. Now see, in class 6 you will learn that even if you don't write multiplication, it is understood that it is multiplication. This multiplied by this. I am putting it just now. So this is 1000 multiplied by 9762. So answer is 9762 and 3 zeros added. So this is next question. Next is question number 4. 16825 multiplied by 16825 minus 16825 into 6825. Again, you can see the whole expression can be divided into two parts because there is a minus sign in between. Minus and plus divides your whole expression into parts, and these are two parts. और दोनों part में what did we observe, that we are getting this common. So 16825 will be kept common, and from here we get 16825 minus, from here we get 6825. Obviously this is 1000 multiplied by 16825. So you know the answer for that. Now a tricky question. Question number 5. 7459 multiplied by 999 plus 7459. Now you can see in the first part we have the expression which divides into two parts, this and this. You can see this question is little different from the rest of the question because here we have this multiplied by this, but here we don't have anything. This multiplied by something is not there, but we know this is equivalent to multiplying it by 1. So this will be our first step. Second step, right? This is the question. Our next step will be this complete. Instead of writing only this, we can include right multiplied by 1, and obviously it's not going to change your question. So we are free to write down this part, right? And so 7459 is multiplied by 999 plus 1, which becomes 1000. The answer is 7459 multiplied by 1000, right? So this is your answer. So this is all for distributive property. Now there are few more property which I will be discussing, that is property of 0, property of 1. We will discuss it later. Now I have given you some questions. I have ticked some question to be done in your exercises. There are some questions maybe you are not able to do. We will discuss it tomorrow online, or I will make a video and then put it. Thank you.